cheers to the camera.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Oops, I spilled it. Let's get started. We need our masks.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
We don't need our masks. We're at home.
Yes, we do.
Bailee just got new masks today because our zoo requires masks, our new masks. For the zoo, it is the kitty cat mask.
Our boys are different.
Okay, let's get
Started!
Alright, we are playing Play-Doh today.
Yeah, now we're gonna make a tiger.
Oh, we're gonna make a tiger at the zoo.
Look at this. An alligator. Look, an alligator. An alligator. We get to do out. I'm standing on your toes.
You are standing on my foot right now. Alligator, we get to do an alligator. Alligator. Elephant. Okay, so far we have an alligator and an elephant. We have 2 humans.
And one sun.
Because it's sunny outside.
And
It's super
butterfly.
sunny. And a butterfly.
And a square.
A square.
Square. And here's the cookie for the alligator.
A cookie for the alligator. All right, let's.
We don't know what alligators can eat, but we don't know what alligators can eat though.
What do alligators eat?
Bacon.
Alligators eat bacon? Probably they would like bacon.
And it eats lettuce.
It does eat lettuce.
When we go back to the zoo, I'm gonna feed the giraffes all by myself again.
You are? You're gonna be brave? Yes.
Now
Okay.
start the zoo. So
Definitely.
this is the color I'm gonna use. Let me show you the colors we're gonna use. So we're gonna use this one.
What color is that?
It is light purple.
Light purple. Kind of pinkish purple color.
And this is dark brown. I'm gonna show them reds.
Oh, these are the colors that we're gonna use. Okay.
So we're gonna use these colors.
What color is that one?
It is dark green. And this is light orange.
Orange.
These are 2 light orange.
Ooh. Yeah, we got 2 of the same color in our pack. And we didn't get red, so I think there was a mistake. No red Play-Doh.
Wait, pretend this is red.
Yeah, we can pretend this is red. But we're gonna
Yeah, so
actually
that
put red in our
red.
pack.
And we got this one. We got
Got 2 of the same color.
purple,
What color is this?
dark blue.
Dark blue.
So
color?
that is blue. And this is light green. And the camera, it turned off. And this is light green. And this is pink. And this is, oh, it looked like a wool. So, this is purple.
Purple.
And
Purple.
this is blue.
Blue.
And this is white. Back here is this color. I'm so sorry. Let's make it 10.
It's so tricky. Oh, that's gonna be a big circle. Where did it go? Oh, it went inside.
Mommy, can you take it out?
Oh, let's cover up all the holes and see if it'll work. It worked! That's my bag. It worked. That was so crazy. I'm gonna make an alligator. There's
It's stuck in there.
Oh, it's really stuck in there. You gotta cover these ones up too. I have a green alligator.
So that's the alligator swimming in the water.
Alright. Alligators. I think we need at least 2 alligators.
Yeah, because we need a friend for it.
He needs to have a friend. He
That's-
can't be a lonely alligator, can he?
No.
No, we don't want a lonely alligator. That'd be silly. 2 alligators.
Let's spit out. There.
Here we go. She's making the zoo animal food. And I have a giraffe with a broken leg. It's actually okay. So here's our giraffe. We have a giraffe and an alligator, and he is chomping on his food. And now we're gonna make another giraffe because all the giraffes need friends.
Oh, this big sticking up. Sounds like a boo boo.
We got a boo-boo. You got the boo-boo. The elefante. We don't have gray, so we're gonna use blue.
Let's use purple because that's a boy color. We don't want to use boy colors.
Oh, we don't. Oh, okay.
We don't want to use boy colors. We always turn into boys if we use boy colors. What?
Whoa.
That one went far.
That one was super far. We've never used this purple before. It's a new purple.
That's why we're using it now.
Ooh, ooh.
Look at that clock right there. That looks like a
It's a quack. It's a quack, quack, quack.
hit my baker thingy.
Your what?
My baker.
Your baker?
Baker, baker, baker. You never heard that song. You never heard that one.
We have a purple elephant. 2 purple elephants have been created. All right, now we need humans.
Now we need to get the elephant's nuts. Those are
Like peanuts.
those. No, they are. No, elephants like to eat nuts.
We are looking for some. I found another animal. A swan. What color are swans?
White.
White. We're gonna make a white swan. Here's our swan. It's so cute. Oh, so cute.
Don't work it out.
Oh, this is cute. Oh, one. I need another penguin.
There's a lot of penguins.
Now, Bailey's gonna make the next penguin, right?
Yeah, because there's a lot of penguins. I know it. Here's our second penguin. We could put the white on. And here's the dolphin.
Nice. What does a dolphin say?
It says, pretend it's sleeping right here. Then the penguins sneak inside the stone and pretend they are the family. Pretend and they sneak inside the home.
Oh my goodness, that's so silly. What are the penguins gonna do once they get inside?
They're gonna mess up the house. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, ouch.
Are they fighting? Growing and growing and growing and growing and growing his hair. Whoa, your hair is crazy, dude. Look at his crazy hair. Why did the shark eat a banana?
Because it's really hungry.
Yes, because it was really hungry.
What's
Your turn.
So why did a fish cross the road?
Why?
Because it had really small wings. You couldn't see, and they were invisible.
They were invisible? Whoa, that's crazy. How did that happen? Oh, okay. All right. I can be a clown.
You get on.
I lost my nose. Okay.
Like go with the dot on your nose. I don't have a, Mommy, I don't have a nose.
Yeah, that's good. What color do you want your nose to be?
I want it to be white.
You guys gotta watch our videos.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do they gotta watch our videos?
No, we have to watch all the videos.
We gotta watch your videos.
Yeah, because we're uncles.
We're uncles.
Yes.
Whose uncles are we?
We are green uncles.
Who? What?
Grandma uncles.
We're grandma uncles, okay? So you gotta watch our videos. You look like an elephant. What is going on right now? What is on your nose?
It's a nose.
It's a nose.
What?